Should I write quel? Ah, no. Quel? Or maybe quel? Or is it quel? Lily, you know I love French, but why do you guys have to make it so complicated?
Well, that's a very good question, Taylor. In French, we would say pourquoi faire simple quand on peut faire compliqué? Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel Palaf, where we'll help you become fluent in French. If you don't know us yet, I'm Lily, your native French teacher.
Et moi, c'est Taylor. Je prends le français avec Lily.
In this video, we've seen that qu'est-ce que is used for questions beginning with what in English when asking an open question such as what do you want? Qu'est-ce que tu veux?
Oui, je m'en souviens. On a aussi appris à utiliser quoi à la place de qu'est-ce que.
Exactement. Well, in today's video, we're gonna see that when the question refers to a specific noun, let's see for example in English, it would be a question such as what kind of food do you like? Or which color is your favorite? Then in French, we will use the interrogative adjectives quel. So if you're interested in knowing how to ask questions in French with quel, and also learn how to ask those questions in a more informal way, then keep on watching.
So Lily, when do I use quel written like this, 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 or this?
Alright, let's see the first one. Quel written like this is associated with masculine and singular nouns. For example, quel est ton sport préféré? Quel est ton sport préféré? Sport, which is sport, is masculine and singular in French. Quel est ton sport préféré? Another example. Quel livre es-tu en train de lire? Quel livre es-tu en train de lire? Livre, book, is also masculine and singular in this case. Let's move with quel. It will be used when the noun is masculine and plural. And if we take the same examples as before, we would have quel est ton sport préféré? That will become quels sont tes sports préférés? Quels sont tes sports préférés? Quel livre lis-tu en ce moment? Will become quel livre lis-tu en ce moment?
This one's tricky because we don't hear the difference.
Yes, you're right. Sometimes in French, it can be very confusing to understand when we are talking in plural or in singular, because we don't hear the difference. But the same question can actually be asked another way. So, quel livre lis-tu en ce moment can also be asked this way. Quels sont les livres que tu lis en ce moment? Quels sont les livres que tu lis en ce moment?
Ah oui! Par exemple, quel film veux-tu voir ce week-end? Quels sont les films que tu veux voir ce week-end?
Okay, moving to the next one. Quel written like this is used with feminine and singular nouns, such as quelle est ta couleur préférée? Quelle est ta couleur préférée?
C'est le vert.
Ah oui? Eh bien moi, j'aime le rouge. Et quelle chanson veux-tu chanter ce soir? Quelle chanson veux-tu chanter ce soir?
Voyage, voyage!
Last but not least, quel like this with feminine and plural nouns. Par exemple, quelle ville d'Europe as-tu visité? Quelle ville d'Europe as-tu visité? Ou encore, quelles actrices françaises connais-tu? Quelles actrices françaises connais-tu? And as always in French, the way we ask the question will depend on how formal we want to sound. And if you want more detail about this, I recommend you watch this video after this one. To give you an example, if you want to sound more informal, you can use c'est quoi when you're referring to something and c'est qui when you're referring to someone. So for example, quel est ton sport préféré will become
C'est quoi ton sport préféré?
quelle est ton adresse will become
C'est quoi ton adresse?
quels sont tes chanteurs préférés? Quels sont tes chanteurs préférés?
C'est qui tes chanteurs préférés?
Quelles sont tes actrices françaises préférées? Quelles sont tes actrices françaises préférées?
C'est qui tes actrices françaises préférées?
And another way of transforming these questions beginning with quel in a more informal way is to move the quel after the verb. For example, quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il dehors?
Il fait quel temps?
Quel fruit veux-tu acheter?
Tu veux acheter quel fruit?
Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il?
Il est quelle heure?
Quelle série regardes-tu? Quelle série regardes-tu?
Tu regardes quelle série?
Alright, and now it's your turn to practice what we've learned today. So how would you translate what's your favorite animal in French? The first questions you would have to ask yourself is animal feminine or masculine? And then, is it singular or plural? Well, animal is a singular and masculine noun. Therefore, the question will be...
Quel est ton animal préféré? Or, in a more informal way, c'est quoi ton animal préféré?
Great, and now let's translate. Which flowers do you want? Which flowers do you want? Yes, flowers is a feminine, and here it's a plural noun.
Quelle fleur veux-tu? Or, tu veux quelle fleur? Ouh là là, merci!
Exactement.
Après ces 3 vidéos, la boucle est bouclée.
Maintenant, tu devrais pouvoir poser facilement des questions en français. Yes, if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified each time we release a new video to help you speak French with easy and fun tips.
Abonne-toi à la chaîne.
And please leave a comment below using the vocabulary you've learned in today's video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Voyage, voyage. Voyage, voyage. Okay. Voyage, voyage. Doesn't sound right.
Voyage, voyage. Plus loin que la nuit et le jour. Voyage, voyage.